Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the email that a form goes to. So say you have a form set up on your website and it's going to one specific email and you want to change it to another specific email. I'm going to show you how to do that now. It's quite straightforward once you know where to find it. So here we are on my demo website and I'm going to go into the page. Actually, this right here is a form pop-up, and let's say I want to change the email for where this is going. What I'll do is I'll go in and click edit. This is very much the same process if it was just a form on the page. So I'm going to actually show you that now. I'll click on this form. It's a pop-up as well, but I'm going to change it from a light box, a pop-up, to just an actual form. So you'll see here, this is the form. So when I'm in the editor, I'll just double click into it and then I'll go to storage. And then there's a bunch of options here. Now there's a lot of ways to set this up. I believe I've talked about this in other videos, but I'm going to cover it again here. Here's where you change the email. You go in and you change it. Now this only works with one email. You can't do multiple in this. You just connect it to one and go from there. So here, if you want to change this, I'm just going to change it hello. Perfect. Perfect, it's set up. Once you're done, let me go back. You're good to go. You see the email is updated already. We're good to go. Honestly, you could end the video there. But I will show you this. If you do want to connect this to a Google Drive, a Google Sheet, that's really useful as a backup as well. Or if you do want to disseminate this to multiple emails, there's a way through Google Sheets you can do that. But you could see here with this Google Drive, you could basically connect your Google account, add that as well. I typically do both when I'm setting up a form. That way it's a good backup. In case the email doesn't go through or something happens, you can figure that out. But that's how you change the email there. You go back and then you hit save. And once you're done with that, it'll automatically go to that new email. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.